these 4 problems were the problems we did on our Jamboard for 3-4 graphing linear equations in standard form. The focus was to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept of each of the linear equations. So remember, how to find the x-intercept is we want to substitute y equals 0. And then solve for x. We get x equals 8, so the x-intercept is the point 8, 0. For the y-intercept, we want to substitute x equals 0. And then solve for y. So just remember, when you're finding the x-intercept, make sure you're left with an x term after you substitute 0. If you're finding the y-intercept, make sure you're left with a y term to solve. That's one way to catch if you're substituting 0 in for the wrong variable. So first start with the x-intercept. Substitute y equals 0. Solve for x, so we want to divide by -1. We get x equals -4, so the x-intercept is at the point -4, 0. Then find the y-intercept, so substitute x equals 0. Divide both sides by 8. 4 divided by 8 is 1/2. If I was asking you to graph using the x and y intercepts, you would not get a fractional intercept, but if you're just finding them algebraically, you can expect a fraction. So now let's find the x and y intercepts and then graph. So the y-intercept is the point 5, that's my mistake, 0, 5. The x-intercept is at the point -2, 0. So we have graphed our 2 intercepts. So to graph the line, we just want to connect and extend. Last one, so to find the x-intercept, substitute y equals 0 and solve for x. To find the y-intercept, substitute x equals 0 and solve for y. Again, when you're finding the y-intercept, make sure you're left with a y term to solve for. Plot your 2 intercepts, connect and extend. That's it for the problems that were on our Jamboard practice assignment that we completed in class for 3-4, graphing linear equations in standard form by finding the x and y intercepts.